Hello honey bunnies, welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How is everyone doing today? Okay honeys, we are going to be doing another project for the Easter series, and we are going to be making some tags. Of course, you knew this video was coming, right? You guys know how much I love making tags, so I'm going to show you how to make a very simple, like 5-minute tag. I'm not even kidding you. It'll take you less than 5 minutes to make these tags. Super easy, super simple, but very cute. So last year for the Easter series, I used these stickers that I got at Walmart, and we made, I believe it was like those wands. I have a playlist for my Easter series for last year. You guys can take a look at that if you want. So I have some more of these stickers left over, and I figure definitely let's use them. Yes, so we're going to be making some really cute little gift tags. Now let's get started because I am making these videos super short for you. Okay, so what I have in front of me is some already made tags. These are the ones that I get on Michael's. This is the pink one that I love so much. It's like a pink canvas. This one is more of a, I don't know what kind of fabric, burlap, is that what it's called? Burlap fabric. And I'm gonna use these two. If you don't have any kind of burlap or any kind of canvas tags, make them out of paper. It's very simple, you guys. I have tons of videos that show you how to make simple gift tags out of scrapbook paper or out of like scraps, okay? Very good. We have that. We're going to need a cupcake liners. In this particular project, I'm going to use some of these really pretty like Easter inspired color cupcake liners, and a hot glue, lace, trim, or something to have like a little hanging string on your gift tag, and that's it. That's all. On our next project, I'm going to show you how to create these really lovely little cards, which is going to be so much fun. I can't wait. Okay, let's put everything on the side and let's get started. Very simple, very easy. Take your two gift tags, and I'm going to put you closer to me so you can, okay, very good. Take your two gift tags that you want to work with, and you can use any kind of cupcake liner, obviously. Doesn't have to be, you know, these particular ones. You can use any ones that you have at home. Plain ones will be fine also. So take your cupcake liner, and we're going to squish it like we did with these right here. These are already made already. See? See how pretty they come out? So what we're going to do is take your cupcake liner. I can do a floral one if you want. Squish it in the middle like this to make your little embellishment. Okay, I'm going to take another one of these in this color, maybe like a pink one, and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to squish it in the middle. And then you're going to open it up, and you're going to kind of play around with it and get the size and the look that you like. I have another one here that I also love to use. I love buying these. These are like these, it's supposed to be like organic, not organic, but like it's supposed to be treated with no kind of chemical cupcake liners, no dyes. It's just like really natural. I get these at the grocery store. And so I'm going to also use this one because this one's a little bit bigger than this one, as you can see in size. See? So because it's a little bit bigger, it's kind of gonna stand out. So I'm gonna kind of use this for the background, and then this one in the center. Gives it a little bit more of a nice layering to your tags. You don't have to add two. You can add one if you want, or you can add many layers, and that also looks really fun. Okay, very good. So I have two here ready. These are like one of these gift tags that if you are really, really, really running out of time and you don't have any time to do these and you want to really make something pretty but you don't have either the time or you might need to mass produce a whole bunch of these, this is awesome to do because it's very simple. Okay, basically what we're going to do is we're going to have the hot glue, which I already have here for me running, my hot glue. And you're gonna add the cupcake. The first one we're gonna add the one that's the biggest to the center of the cupcake of the of your tag. Okay, right in the center of the tag. There we go. And now we're going to add the second cupcake liner, which is a smaller one, right in the center of the one that we just placed down. So we're basically just layering these. Ow, be careful, it's hot. We're basically just layering these cupcake liners one on top of each other. That's really all we're doing. Okay, very good. Now we're going to take our stickers and find out which one you like. Take the ones that you like the most. I'm going to pick, let's see. Okay, I'm going to do bunnies. I'm going to do this bunny and this bunny because they just look super adorable. So the first bunny is this one. I'm going to add a little bit of hot glue to the back of the bunny. Just a little bit, just to make sure that it's not going to go anywhere. And then I'm going to place my bunny in the center of my cupcake liner. And let's take the other bunny from the other pack, which is this one. And we're going to do the same thing. There we go. See that? And that's what you're going to get. Ooh, this went right through. That's what you're going to get. These are cute, aren't they? Love them. Okay, perfect. What is the next step? And the last step, believe it or not. This is the last step. Basically, just take your twine, your lace, your ribbon, whatever you decide on what to use for your tags, and basically just string it through the little hole where this way you will have something that you can attach your tags to. And at the same time, it gives it such a pretty, pretty look. Boom. There you have it. You see how cute and simple that looks? I love it. Now, the good thing about this project is that you can leave it the way it is, right? If you're running out of time and you don't have that much time to play around with, you can simply just leave it the way it is. Or, which what I like to do, you can embellish your tags, adding more magnificent little goodies to it. So, for example, I'm going to show you in a second what we can do. See? And there you have these simple, very, very simple little tags, but look how cute they look. How cute and simple they look, right? I love them. Now, if you want to continue to decorate your tags, you can do so. You can leave them as is, the way they are, which I kind of like the way they look because they're kind of simple. But I also would like to add more things to it. So what you can do is go into your little scrap of where you have all your little goodies. I have a gigantic stuff here that has a lot of goodies in here. And just go in here and see what you like. If you want to add, perhaps maybe you want to add like a ribbon like this to one of your little tags, you can do that. Let's see what else we have here. I have tons of ribbon bows that I can actually use and add to my little tag. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to add these two bows, and if I find something else that caught my eye, I'll add it, okay? Let's see what else I can find in here. I have so many things in here. You can even add a button if you want. See these little buttons, how pretty they are? We can add those buttons. What time is it? I'm trying to do this video less than 12 minutes. So we'll see if we can do that. Okay, let's just do 2 buttons. Yes. I kind of like to put these right in the center. That really, yep, that's beautiful. Okay, perfect. Let's finish these off, right? Let's just do 2 of, actually we can do 4 because I have bows in here. So we can actually decorate more our little tags. I have these really pretty bows that I am obsessed over. I have so many of these bows and I just love using them for every single project that I have. So I'm going to put the bows right in the side of my little sticker. I have 2 different colors. I have a lighter pink and then a darker pink. And if you want to make these bows yourself, just use some ribbon, some string, some lace. Make your own little bows. Okay, there you go. And then what we're going to do is, actually, we are going to add these little dots that I love. I get these at AC Moore. And we're going to add these little dots right in the center of the little bow. We're not even going to use these buttons because you know what? We don't really need to. Adding these little dots in the center of the little bow like this gives it such a pretty, pretty look to our little tag. We'll do that. And then we're done. But if you want to go back and do more decorating, you could definitely do that. There's one. There's another one here. Another one here. And another one here. And there you have it. And that is how I create these really super, super easy, adorable little gift tags for Easter. You see how pretty that looks? And look how, I mean, just adding those little tiny things to the tags makes the tag look so, so, so pretty, right? I love it. Look how pretty that looks there. I don't know if you can see it, but it's just so pretty, so delicate. I mean, it looks like it took you forever to make this, to be honest with you. You can literally make this in 5 minutes. I talk a lot, so it makes it seem a little longer, but honestly, 5 minutes or less, you can bang these out. Okay, my loves? Yay! Okay, I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you leave me a comment. And make sure you come back for another DIY video. Love you all. Have a fantastic weekend. Be safe. And I'll see you soon.